Hi, welcome to URI Cooperative Extension and the Rhode Island 4-H Project Evergreens. Centerpiece making. Here are some of the supplies you will need. Here are the materials. There's the green wet oasis. First, you fit the oasis in. After you've got it secure, make sure it's about 1 inch above the surface, and then it soaks overnight. This shows the bottom of each piece is cleared about 1 inch or 2 up to make sure you're putting small holes in. Then you make your basic shape that you want to do. This one we're doing a round shape. Keep putting these pieces into the oasis until you cover all the oasis. You can add your accent pieces, and then at the end you'll add your decorations. Remember, do not trim the piece at the end. If a piece is sticking out too far, pull it out and cut the end that's in the oasis. Here is the finished product. For more fun, visit us at uri.edu/4H.